Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're showcasing the best Nathan James Leighton small oval desk, a versatile and stylish piece of furniture that will elevate any small space. If you're looking for a functional table that fits neatly into your living room, bedroom, or home office, this might just be the perfect option for you. This C-shaped end table comes in a rustic brown color, providing a warm and inviting touch to any room. It has a sleek, minimalist design that not only looks great but also maximizes space. Whether you need a small side table for your sofa, a bedside table, or even a snack table for your home office, this table does it all. The table's design is particularly clever, as it slides effortlessly under your sofa or bed, allowing you to have easy access to your snacks, drinks, or even your laptop. The ergonomic 23.6-inch high tabletop ensures comfort when you're lounging on the couch or working from your bed. It's a perfect fit for anyone who enjoys working from home or enjoys breakfast in bed without the hassle of moving around heavy furniture. With dimensions of 15.7 inches in depth, 11.8 inches in width, and 23.6 inches in height. This table is compact yet spacious enough to hold all your essentials. It's ideal for tight spots and small living areas. The C-shaped design means it fits perfectly into those gaps between your couch and the wall, or beside your bed without taking up too much space. Assembly is a breeze, taking only about 10 minutes to put together. You'll appreciate the sturdy steel frame that provides solid support, while the top is made of particle board, offering durability with a stylish finish. The adjustable feet are another thoughtful feature, ensuring the table remains stable even on slightly uneven floors. One of the best things about this table is its multifunctionality. It's not just a side table but also a space-saving solution that can be used in various ways, making it a great addition to any room, whether you're using it as a side table, snack table, or even a temporary workstation. For just $33.99, this table is a great value for anyone looking to add a functional and stylish piece to their space. It's lightweight, easy to move, and perfect for small spaces. If you're on the hunt for a versatile, space-saving table that combines practicality with style, the Nathan James Leighton small oval desk could be the perfect fit for your home. Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product insights and recommendations.